Hello everybody, my name is Natasha. Call me Nakabo. Today I will show you the choreography of the ERIH 2023 Work It Out Flash Mob. So let's go. So feet together, arms behind your back. We have 2 8s. The first 8 you're standing still, look in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second 8 on the bum bum, your arms go out, right arm goes front, left arm goes back. And you turn your kepi on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, feet together, arms behind your back. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We listen to the music. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa, pa. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're starting with the first 8. Your toes showing to the left and to the right. We started to the left on 1. We have 1, changing, 2, double, 4, 5, 6. Your arms going up. So you push it up when you change your feet from the top. 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we go to the front again. Push your arms together. 7 and jump up. 8. Your arms going behind your back. First 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. With the music. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second 8. We're starting from the feet open. Your upper body goes down. First you go to the left side and changing to the right. 1, 2, again from the right side to the left. 3, 4, again left to the right. 5, 6, and 7, 8. This is the second 8. Again, your feet are open, hands behind your back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that you go down. So bend your knees, go in front with your upper body, and make a good circle from left to the right. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the music. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third 8. We coming from the left side. We jump together. 1. Your arms coming from down to up. We change 2, double, 3, 4, changing 5, 6. Go in front, right arm straight. 7, and we jump out again. 8. Again. Third 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the music. 8. We go to the right side. Step, touch, to the left. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that your arm is long. 1, 2, you can do a little wave. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth 8 again a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First part with music. 6, 7, 8. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we did the chorus, and now we starting and learning the part of the verse. We starting with the right leg. We go to the front, open, left leg open, close, go to back, back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go front, front, back, back. Your arms go up, up, down, down. We do it 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the first 8 from the verse. We do it with music. Second 8 of the verse. So we start with the right foot, we go to the right side. We have 1, cross back, 2, open, 3, 4. Go to the left, 5, cross back, 7, 8. We use your shoulder, or use your shoulder for each step. So the right shoulder comes up when we go to the right side. Your left shoulder comes up when we go to the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3. Now your arms come up. 4. We go to the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Second 8 of the verse. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we repeat the first and the second 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do it again. The third 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we do it with the music. Left. Again, repeat, front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fifth eight of the verse. We're ending with the arms up. Now we're turning to the front and we go over the shoulders. Right shoulders, 1, left, 2, double right, 4, left, right, double left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush, 1, 2, double, 4, 5, 6, double, 8. With the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Right side. 5, 6, 7. Again. Front. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 8 from the verse. This is the last 8. So you open your right leg to the front. I will show you this a little bit more. So you open it and then you close the right leg. You slide it on the ground, back, and your left heel comes up. Then you change. The left leg comes front, you slide it back, and your right foot comes up. Again, right foot in front, you slide it, left leg comes up. Last time, left leg comes out, and then you slide it in. We use the arms together with the legs. So we go out, your arms go out. Then you go in, arms come in. Out and in, out and in, out and in. So make sure we go from the ground up. 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we finish the verse. We do it with the music, but first we do the chorus, second the verse, again the chorus, then the second verse. It's the same. After the second verse, we repeat the chorus. Now we do it with the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Again, front. Again, chorus. Again, front. Last time, chorus. And we go down. Now you have freestyle. So after the third time chorus, we hear that the music drops. So we open the right leg and your upper body comes from the left side, go down to the right side. After that, the freestyle part starts. So you have 8-8. You can do whatever you want. If you're not sure what you're doing, just watch the video from my girls. After the 8-8, you come together. Come closer and listen. He says, let's go. Then you jump and your arms come up. Work it out. Go to the front. Pop, pop. Work it out. Grab your cap with the left hand. Turn around. 20-20 and throw the cap into the front. 3. And then it's finished.
Culture, you know that we work it out. Year after year, we're bringing it back. No half stepping in 100%. It's all gonna pan out, just believe. Positive vibes, be all you can be. Let's show them how it's done. Come together as one. I promise we gon' have some fun. This is our time. Shine brighter than the sun. Shine brighter than the sun, yeah. We can work it out. Let's believe we're looking forward, but we can't forget about the past. We can work it out. Peace of mind, what we need, good vibes, so we gotta dance. We can work it out. Let's believe we're looking forward, but we can't forget about the past. We can work it out. Peace of mind, what we need, good vibes, so we gotta dance. Be an example to the world. Our future are you boys and girls. Open your eyes, see it with clarity. Show some love and solidarity. The European route of industrial heritage brings the past to you and the present is history. Anchor points on the map so the path is not a mystery. So, get your groove on, yo. Which move you gon' show? Show me what you got. You know you can work it out. We can work it out. Let's believe we're looking forward, but we can't forget about the past. We can work it out. Peace of mind, what we need, good vibes, so we gotta dance. We can work it out. Let's believe we're looking forward, but we can't forget about the past. We can work it out. Peace of mind, what we need, good vibes, so we gotta dance. Time to break it down. Let's go. We cannot stop. You know we working it out. We cannot stop. Cause we working it out. We cannot stop. You know we working it out. We cannot stop. Cause we working it out. We cannot stop. You know we working it out. We cannot stop. Cause we working it out. We cannot stop. You know we working it out. We cannot stop. Cause we working it out. Yeah. Haha. You know we work it out over here, man. Yeah. It's all about the past. It's all about the present. And it's definitely about the future. You already know. Let's go. Work it out. 2023.